The world of algorithmic trading is no longer just for Wall Street quants with supercomputers. Or is it? Composer.trade claims to democratize this space with its AI-powered no-code platform. But as we look at it in 2025, the critical question remains, is it actually worth your investment? Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of Composer, laying out all the details you need to make an informed decision. Composer provides a platform for automated investing where you can create a permane, deploy custom trading algorithms through a visual interface, eliminating the need for traditional coding. The service offers a range of pre-built automated strategies you can copy, or you can use their drag-and-drop editor to design a completely unique symphony based on your own market hypotheses and rules. This is where the AI and machine learning come in, intended to help you model and refine your trading logic. The automation also handles the execution and rebalancing, ensuring discipline and saving you time, with added perks like automated tax loss harvesting. However, the cons include the inherent risk that any automated system can fail or perform poorly in unexpected market environments. And the platform's sophistication means there is a notable learning curve to use it effectively beyond just copying someone else's work. Composer offers 3 main tiers for its users. For individuals, there is a free plan that allows trading of stocks, ETFs, crypto, and options with a dull 0.3% fee per crypto trade, and it includes access to the no-code strategy builder and backtesting. The paid individual plan, called Automated Trading, costs $4 per month when billed annually, and adds the ability to invest in automated stock strategies and open retirement accounts. For business entities, there is a custom-priced business account, which includes advanced features like API access, full IP ownership of strategies, and priority support for automated, data-driven trading. What do you think? Let's discuss in the comments. Bye!